Alright, just bought new Gotoh machine heads locking tuner. The model is SG381MGT07C 6 inline. Okay, for those Jackson soloists what you saw. Alright, so I bought it, and this is the one machine heads of all the 6 in 1 from Gotoh. So how to open it? Okay, we're going to open it soon. Very easy to open. It's for my new Jackson. I bought the made in Japan Jackson. I want to use this locking tuners. Okay, here is the one. 1:16 ratio. Let's take one, you can see. There's the one. Can't focus, huh? Alright, it's the locking tuner. Okay. So I'm going to fix onto my Jackson. Okay. Later we'll see it. Thank you very much.